In this video, we will look at camera movement. Camera movement plays a considerable role in the emotional language of film images and the audience's emotional reaction to what is happening. Techniques in movement range from the most basic, slower movements to fast-paced movement. In order to capture and follow the movement within a scene, some techniques and equipment must be used to make this possible. In our scene, we have a plane landing down onto a runway. We will use the movement in this scene to apply techniques to it and show how the camera equipment can be used to enhance the caption of the movement. First, we'll look at the two main techniques used to capture movement. They are panning and tracking. Panning refers to the rotation in a horizontal plane of the video camera. Panning a camera results in a motion similar to that of someone shaking their head from one side to the other. This achieves an effect as if the camera is looking from one side of a scene to the other. In our example, we first create a pan effect from right to left following the movement of the plane. We then switch the pan, this time from left to right, for a similar effect. This allows the camera to see an entire scene in one continuous shot. Tracking refers to where a camera focuses on one particular area and follows that area while capturing its movement. In our example, our camera is following the movement of the plane. It focuses only on the specific area around the plane and moves along with it in the same way the plane is. This gives the effect that the camera is moving around within the scene in the same way the object is. Now we'll look at dollying and craning. These are pieces of equipment used to capture specific moving shots for film. In our example, our camera dolly is the green object, while the camera crane is the brown, taller object. A camera dolly is a specialized piece of filmmaking equipment designed to create smooth camera movements. With a dolly, the camera is mounted on the dolly itself and the camera operator usually rides alongside it, operating it. In our example, our dolly is positioned at the side of the runway, ready to capture the plane as it lands. As we run the scene, we can see the dolly moving sideways alongside the plane, capturing its movement. Camera cranes are used to view the scene object from above. Most cranes accommodate both the camera and the operator, but some can be operated by remote control. In our example, our crane is positioned to view the plane from above as it lands. As we run the scene, we can see the crane shot as it looks down onto the plane. This gives an effect of looking down onto the scene from the sky above. So those were the different types of techniques and equipment that are used for capturing camera movement.